Long before time was written, when giants ruled Earth, one night would change the fate of humankind. The shaman spoke of a shadow moving through rivers, a beast older than the stars, Azura, the serpent of endless hunger. Beneath the still water, something vast stirred, watching, waiting. The tribe believed night meant safety, but tonight, safety was an illusion. From the depths, the monster serpent awoke, drawn by the sound of laughter. Even the bird of the skies, Rahan, cried a warning. Its screech split the heavens. But instinct screamed. Something unnatural stalked the night. The beast had left the river and was hunting. But the serpent was not the only terror lurking that night. Silence fell over the land, too silent. And then it struck. The serpent stole the child. Panic swept the tribe as fear became fire in their veins. From above, Rahan screamed again. The heavens themselves raged. The shaman's chants rose, ancient words of defiance. But fury was stronger than magic. The serpent raged. A father's love became his weapon. But then beast met beast. The serpent faced the predator. Even the sky seemed to choose sides. The wise shaman whispered, survival lay beneath the earth. But one cry tore through the storm, a child's call for his mother. Through fire and dust, the tribe pursued the serpent into the savannah's heart. A mother's courage burned brighter than fear. The shaman saw beyond the night. The gods themselves stirred. Beast met beast once more. The ground shook with their fury. From above, the bird of the sky struck with vengeance. But what they found was worse. The serpent had left its legacy. Sina swore no more children would be stolen. The tribe gathered. Would they fight the gods' beast or run forever? Iken vowed he would face the serpent, even if it meant death. So began the night hunt, mankind's rebellion against the monster. But Azura was waiting. It was always waiting. With fury, the serpent struck first. The heavens screamed as war began. Fire was the weapon of the weak, but even fire feared the serpent. And still, the child called to his mother. The storm came, not of earth, but of the gods. Sky and serpent clashed, the heavens shook. And from the shadows the beast of earth struck again. A father's hands broke the serpent's grip. For a moment, love triumphed over terror. But Azura's fury was endless. It would not be denied. The tribe answered with unity, stone against scale. The shaman gave his last prayer, his voice carrying into the storm. From the sky came sacrifice. The bird gave its strength to mankind. And at last, the monster fell. Silence returned, but silence is never peace. The child had been saved, but the memory would never fade. The shaman's voice was gone, but his spirit walked in the fire. And the people knew the gods were still watching. For though the serpent had fallen, its legacy was not yet ended. The night of monsters would come again.